everyone, welcome to this art journal flip through. Today I'm going to show you guys my art journal from my teenage years because I'm 19 and I made this journal when I was 16. I never really finished it, but it's something that I keep around to look back on. It's pretty full. This was the only way to express myself when I was younger, so this was really precious to me at the time. On this page I dried some flowers and I gave every flower a meaning, like home, creativity, love, and on the other side I quoted my favorite quotes, which some of those are from me and some of those are from series, films and books. This page is inspired by a song from Pastel. I used to listen to them a lot and I still kind of listen to them sometimes. I used to think of myself as very punk rock back in the day. I still listen to some of these bands, not all of them, but these were my favorite bands when I was 16. This is one of my favorite pages. As you can see, music had a lot of influence on my life when I was 16. I was really going through some stuff like any other teenager, so I really liked listening to music that kind of made me understood and made me feel like everything was gonna be just fine. And looking back on it now, I did turn out just fine, so 16-year-old me would probably be very proud of me. As I said, I really liked Alice in Wonderland and I actually screwed up a page, so I decided to glue like 20 pages together, and in each layer that would make like this black hole where Alice is falling in. I know it's pretty dark, it's not meant to be this dark, I just really like Alice in Wonderland. On these next few pages I made my dream loft. I always wanted to live in a loft. I still want to live in a loft. And these are just my favorite pages in my journal, I guess. This is just my dream house. I wrote out how my future would be, how my friends would come over every single week in my beautiful loft, and how I would just work there and be creative. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed it. Also, I have a huge cold right now, so that's why I don't sound as happy as I normally do. But thank you for watching. I really liked recording this video. It really took me back down memory lane to look into my old art journal. So I will see you guys in my next video, and if you like more videos like these, consider subscribing, and I will see you Monday.